What's up, guys? We're here at Ludlow Falls in Ludlow Falls, Ohio. This place has a population around 200. It's a very small town, village, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna here and enjoy the scenery and look at the water, and I'm gonna get the drone out and fly it. So I'm gonna get this drone in the air, check it out. All right, we made it to the falls. Look at that. I'm gonna set up the drone and get this drone in the air. I'm actually gonna take off from under this bridge right here.